I got the default storage set.
No. What? What?
Let's go, James May! Let's go, James May!
Wait, did you gonna get him in the end?
Oh no! Oh!
Poor little Volvo.
It's okay, James. You can do it next year.
Look at this, look at this. Is that a Nissan Altima versus, or Nissan Maxima?
With neon.
No, versus a Mercedes.
I'm sorry, I can't hear that. I can't hear that.
Maybe you spend bonds instead of, neon. Look, guys, my Kia Soul.
You guys Yo, the Charger.
That's the car.
Charger.
That's the car. That's the car. What's that gonna do? It doesn't.
It's a sleeper.
Terrence's grandma has a Kia Soul.
Oh.
That was
It's actually keeping up.
Wow, Kia can make a car. Oh, this is interesting.
What is that next to it? I know it's a Corvette, but what's
Corvette.
next to it?
And that's a Ford Focus RS.
It's an RS?
I'm pretty sure it's the same gray RS from before. If I'm
No,
not
that'd be
mistaken.
too soon. Because there's a big ass line out there.
Could be another RS.
It could be.
It's a Ford Focus. I'll tell you that right
It
now.
is.
Pretty sure it's an RS because I don't know if it's bring a stock. Never mind, I'm Ratchet Friday. Never mind, I'm Ratchet Friday.
You know what I see in the back? The headlights.
How'd you get more space?
Default storage. Instead of SD card, just go default. There you go. That's my life. Tristan? That's a Fiesta. I think that's a Fiesta.
That's a Fiesta?
I think that's a Fiesta.
That's a Fiesta.
I think that's a Fiesta.
What's a Fiesta?
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's a Fiesta.
I'm gonna record this and send it to my buddy Pat because he drives a Fiesta for work.
I can't wait to see that Grand National turn up.
Fiesta versus Corvette. Who will win? Who will lose? Who will lose clutch?
We already saw how many blown clutches today? Yo, my money's on the Grand Nash.
Nah, the Audi. I know, I'm kidding.
I thought you were serious for a second.
It's an Audi. Someone's got a business meeting after this.
Yeah!
Get it on!
Yo, is that gonna be a 10-second car? Oh. I'll bring the El Camino and let's just have a bunch of smoke coming from the other carriage if I
What would you say if I got a riding mode and put a V8 in it and I dragged it?
A what?
A riding mode. Put a V8 in it and I dragged it. What would you say?
I would root for you. I don't know if you'd win, but I root for you.
Every time I shift, the front end fucking drops. Camaro.
Camaro's got it because he's getting grip. He's getting power down. 370Z.
Go 370. It's a cool version of my car. Shut up.
You don't own a 350 or?
No, it's just a cool version of mine. Two-door Japanese hatch. Except that's a 6-cylinder.
3.7 liter. It's not doing too bad for itself.
What happens if you buy it on that?
It's not doing bad for itself. Oh, did it gain? Yeah, it won.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a place for this place, but it's home of a 370.
Everybody see that vape in the video?
I think that Cobalt had Nosberg on it.
A what?
I think Cobalt had Nosberg this time. What do we got here?
It's only the Purge.
Honda versus
BMW.
All these guys, once they finish, you look back around, you gotta come take your way back to the park, and go back and sit in line.
I'm just looking at the Honda in the back. Had him on launch. Oh, that's not. Tracy, do you know what that is?
Is that my grandma's car?
Yes, it is. I thought it was a Honda for a second. I didn't even recognize it.
This is some video. I have to show this to my grandma.
I am.
My grandma had that car.
Now I just kind of hold the lens.
She had it in black too. That might be my grandma's car. Find it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, after the clutch finally grabbed.
It was like, oh, shit, I don't have a clutch. Oh, there it is.
Would have won that if you find it. Grind it till you find it.
Yeah, you gotta grind it to find There's another Dodge. Cadillac's aren't what they used to. Actually, well, they started that money into them.
It's the GSD Cadillac. It's good, let me tell you.
It's got drags.
Caddy?
Yeah.
Put drag slips on the clutch too. Oh, the Cadillac's in the front.
I think it's. Look at how big that cloud is.
Those aren't drag strips.
Those are, yeah. For a second I thought they were because it looks smaller from here.
Dodge versus Cadillac.
Just want to point out the guys in the back are still trying to see.
Cadillacs aren't what they used to be. Cadillacs aren't what they used to be.
You're right, they're better.
I believe you call Cadillac an apology. Guys, Volkswagen.
When a Volkswagen comes. Hey, bitch.
How many Culver's you killed?
No. It's okay, you know what? This is one of the ones that actually have a working cat. That's why it lost.
Miata or Subaru?
I kind of want the Miata, but...
Miata's got the power to weight, but the Subaru's got the all-wheel drive.
You see how much fucking smoke there is in this damn...
Vape truck. Let's see what happens.
Oh! The Miata!
Miata's the answer.
What's the time on it?
I've held that by 2 seconds. Wow. Miata's the answer. And we got a Ford Focus ST, I believe?
No, that ain't a Focus. That's a Civic.
No, there. On the line.
No, that's...
No, on the line.
Oh, I'm like... I don't even know which...
Staging, that's on the line.
I'm retarded. Yeah, that's a Focus.
I'm not gonna say it. I was gonna say it, now that you know. WRX. Hey, they're electric.
Ladies and gentlemen, turn off your engines. I dig the wheels on that, huh?
Hold it. They're pulled.
They're pulled?
They're pulled.
What, the Focus? Nice. It's all silent till the VTEC kicks in.
I was about to say, he's probably got a really comfortable Is that,
It's lowered.
but is that
A chord.
Attention in the pit. Attention in the pit.
I just want to point out there's a lowered chord racing, and behind it, I saw that Civic at the wall while we passed on the way here.
so? So is that?
I was wondering why the Civic had a spoiler.
Does it want to spoil it?
Downforce. What, you gotta be home by a certain time?
No, your girlfriend just texted me.
Ah.
I'm the FaceTimer. Hi,
Smart ass.